Are you fed up with scouring through YouTube music video tutorials and not getting clear answers to your questions? What's going on, creatives? RoyalZProduction here, creator of the most in-depth online music video course on the internet, Learn Freelance Filmmaking, where I take you through a curriculum of music video lessons to help you take your music video shooting and editing skills to the next level, as well as a handful of lessons on how to network to land more clients and build a personal brand as a music videographer. In this online program, there are over 130 music video lessons teaching you what camera equipment to buy, how to apply basic camera settings in your camera to give you the highest quality of image possible out of whatever camera you own. I uncover all of my camera operating skills for music video filmmaking, whether you're flying a gimbal or prefer running a handheld setup. Extremely in-depth tutorials teaching you how to edit music videos in both Final Cut Pro 10 and Premiere Pro. I give you a handful of business tips to help you network properly in the industry and land your first music video client or more music video clients. And this course also includes extremely valuable lessons on music video pre-production, lighting, performance scenes, B-roll scenes, directing, and additional on-set knowledge. Outside of the music video course itself, I grant students exclusive access to a private Facebook group where you can connect with other filmmakers around the world, but most importantly, get direct access to me where you can ask me anything you want about music video filmmaking, and I will be there happy to answer any questions you may have. Aside from all the high-level videography lessons my course has to offer that will ensure you success on your upcoming music video bookings, I give you exclusive discount codes to companies that will help elevate your music video game. You will get an exclusive 15% discount code to Prop Movie Money, which in my opinion is the best music video prop in the game, and you can upsell this prop to artists so you can make your money back on this prop plus more. A 15% discount code to Tropic Color for a wide variety of high quality creative LUTs, transitions, sound effects, and more. If you're a cell phone shooter, we have a 15% discount code to Moment, where you can find mobile gear ranging from variable ND filters, cell phone lenses, mobile rigging mods, audio, mobile LUTs, and other mobile filmmaking accessories. 10% discount code to select Zhiyun Tech products, and a 50% discount code to my online shop, which offers a list of unique digital filmmaking related products. And the best part about enrolling in my online course is you get lifetime access to these lessons and discount codes for life. Yes, you get access to content that is currently in the course, as well as any future content that is added, forever with just one upfront cost. Whether you're watching the video lessons on your phone or on your computer, you can take in this educational course and learn professional music video tips from anywhere in the world. Whether you're a beginner who's never filmed a music video before and wants to skip the long hours of YouTube research and jump the initial learning curve, or you've maybe been filming music videos for some time but want to add some more music video techniques and tricks to your toolkit, as well as take advantage of some solid discounts to filmmaking related shops, this online course has major benefits for all. I'm so confident in my teaching skills being so relatable to freelance videographers that I even offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So, if you don't feel like you're getting your money's worth out of my course, shoot me an email within 30 days and I will fully refund. Customer service is my #1 priority, and if you feel my course material isn't helping you improve your skills and you're not grasping the course content, then I don't want your money. It's plain and simple. Get signed up today and see why videographers previously learning from YouTube or online forums are saying that this program is worth every penny for the amount of content that is inside of this course. If you have any questions, shoot me an email at visualsbyroyalz@gmail.com and I'll see you inside the course.
All of the modules, there's no fluff in them at all. It's very direct and to the point, and it's packed with useful information.
I like that you explain from not only for people who have no idea how to make videos. You explain the most basic stuff that one experienced videographer would normally know. For example, FPS, slow motion, stuff like that. But you also explain more complex stuff, more detailed stuff for someone who is experienced and still having problems for that matter.
I am personally very grateful that NSS chose to make this so affordable.
My name is DaVinci HD. I'm a music videographer, cinematographer, as well as audio engineer and producer from the state of West Virginia. With this information, I was able to cut my editing time completely in half.
If you're interested in doing good quality work, you need this course. And at the price that he has set it at, you can't afford not to do it. How could you not do this?
And definitely, Invest in the Learn Freelance Filmmaking course. It is one of the best investments you will ever make as a videographer. I guarantee it.